Once upon a time in the United States of America, a company called Mechanical Air Control, in short MAC, was specialized in the development of air valves. As the business in the USA was quickly developing year after year, it was decided to open an office in Europe. But where in Europe? After considering different possible locations, it was decided that the ideal place was Belgium, more precisely Liege, in the Walloon region. In October 1971, MAC Valve Europe was born. MAC Valve Europe started slowly but surely, and the workforce progressively grew so that the number of employees was multiplied by over 15 between the early 70s and 2021, starting with 6 employees in 1971, 32 employees in 1990, and now approximately 90 employees. Operations grew from one assembly line with important parts from the USA to 10 assembly lines with a machining department nowadays. The technical advantages of the MAC valves convinced European customers to buy our product, and the success of MAC valves was progressively exported to Europe in spite of an aggressive competition. From a humble start, the upward trend was confirmed in the early 90s, and since then we grew significantly our business to achieve our record year in 2020. Originally, MAC Valve Europe was just one assembly line. We received parts manufactured at our mother company in the USA, and these parts were assembled in our small workshop on our single assembly line. Technical people and qualified staff were hired, and our design and development capacities progressively developed to reach our current capacity. Our recently extended plant now hosts 10 production lines. Our machining capacities have also grown, and we now have 6 CNC machines for aluminum bars. After 50 years of innovation and unique solution development for applications in diverse fields of industry, we focus our sales and technical action around 4 major product lines, gathering all our products. Pulse valves, developed to replace diaphragm-style technology and create a more robust and reliable valve solution in industrial applications. Bullet valves, ideal for applications where high flow and repeatability in a small package size are crucial. Simple cartridge design for easy adaptability. Liquid valves. MAC liquid valves perform with both gases and liquids, utilizing deflex technology to provide an exceptionally tight seal. MAC liquid valves offer all the same MAC performance advantages for the liquid market. Balanced design, high speed and repeatability, an excellent solution for your microdosing, dispensing, spraying and filling applications. Traditional valves, proven solutions for your applications. No matter what your application requires, you can rely on MAC valves for high speed, dependability and reliability. Do not hesitate to contact MAC valves when you need tailored solutions. Stay tuned on our MAC YouTube channel. Our creativity is limitless. We would like to thank our customers for their trust and our distributors for their efforts and their faith in the MAC philosophy. Together we are definitely stronger, and we are looking forward to facing the next decade with you all.